what is the basis of Doppler? Ideally, if I want to detect fetal anemia, previously people used to do cord blood. Cordosynthesis was done and cord blood analysis was done to judge. But now you can get, it's a non-invasive technique, very simply you can do it. How? Whenever, like yesterday only I told you, whenever anemia will occur, will it lead to hypoxia or not? It is going to lead to hypoxia. So it leads to hypoxia. As a result, a kind of brain sparing effect will come. However, the umbilical artery flow would be normal, other flows, there would be no IUGR as such. So as a result of increased blood supply, not only the diastolic flow may increase, what may happen, even the systolic flow increases overall. So what will be the ultimate outcome? The ultimate outcome would be increased MCA peak systolic velocity. This may happen in cases of anemia. PSV will increase. Now, normally this is a normal thing they are telling, that around early 11 weeks onwards and the MCA peak velocity starts increasing and continues till the end of 40 weeks. In some cases, cardiac enlargement may also be seen in anemia, and increase in velocity in anemia detected much earlier than. No, ultimate outcome of anemia is what? Hydrops, right heart failure. Now forget about these tables, you don't require them. Just remember, it says mild, moderate, severe. Even if you forget everything, just remember this. If the peak systolic velocity is increased by 1.5 times than what we expect at a particular gestational age, it will indicate there is fetal anemia. And what velocity you have to take? The 50th percentile. Now when you will look at the MCA table, I told you every parameters has a 5th, 50th and 95th. So you have to look for 50th or 95th. If the 50th percentile you look and it is 1.5 times higher than what you expect. For example, at 26 weeks of gestational age or 28 weeks of gestational age, I am expecting MCA PSV 50th percentile I see in the table is 30 centimeters per second. We just assume that. Now when I am doing the scan, I find that the peak systolic velocity in MCA is coming around 45 or 50. What does it tell me? It is more. Right? It is more. This tells me that this is. How do I get a suspicion? Usually the diastolic flow will be increased. So the MCA flow will have lower will show you high diastolic, but at the same time high systolic also. Both will be high. And we judge now. Since we are judging on the basis of PSV, we have to be careful while measuring it. So we have to maintain the Doppler angle properly. When we see MCA for purposes of IUGR, we are not bothered about the Doppler angle because we are seeing the ratios. So what things you have to do, where to look for? First of all, we know where to look for, that I have already told you. You get the Sylvian fissure and see the MCA. Proximal artery has to be imaged. In these cases, angle of inclination should be 0 degree, or if angle correction is required, it should not be more than 10 degree. I'll tell you what does that mean. MCA part close to the origin, approximately 1 to 2 millimeter should be chosen for sampling. Sample gauge should be 1 millimeter and image should be zoomed so that color bar occupies more than 50% of the screen. When sampling, 15 to 30 waveforms to be selected with PSV in them nearly same. Waveform with maximum velocity will be used for judgment, and the measurement to be repeated thrice and then average taken. So what we are going to do, measurements are to be taken with fetal breathing movements and body movements being either absent or minimum. That means in the quiescent stage. Now this is the chart which is there in your CD, but let us go back to the picture and I will repeat what all I read out. So first thing that you have to do, you got the MCA on screen. You put color, you got MCA. But this is not the correct way of getting the peak systolic velocity for MCA. It says the angle should be ideally 0. If you cannot obtain 0, then at least it should not be more than 10 degrees. It should be somewhere between 0 to 10. Most of the time it is not difficult. You can almost, you've been looking at the MCA pictures, no? We are almost able to get it straight on the screen. So what is the way to get it? Whenever something says that you have to keep Doppler angle this much, what is the best way to do it? First, adjust the Doppler angle from the machine. So the machine says it should be between 0 to 10 degree. Let us, if I am not able to get 0, let us make it 3, 4, 5 degree, and then bring the vessel along that. Bring the vessel along that, so that you will know that this is the proper angle. Then where to take the sampling? It said proximal portion, but prior to that it says zoom the area. Zoom the area means only this portion should be on the screen. Now you just see the color area, that is all. Then where to put the sample? Proximal means in this area, no, near to the origin. What should be the sample gate size? Not more than 2 millimeter. It should be between 1 to 2 millimeter. You should not go very far from the origin, just within 1-2 millimeter of the origin. And these are the points that you have to keep in mind. Maintain the Doppler angle, see where you are putting the sample volume and how you have put the sample gate. Zooming the area always helps you. Why? Because otherwise also when you are doing Doppler, if you just keep the area confined to where you are seeing color, it will always help because you will see vessels bigger.